Alright, another box. Very heavy. Lost my knife again. There it is. Whew. Yeah, these are opening way better than last time I did this. I could barely cut anything with it last time. So another month and a half goes for healing. Fancy. Look at that. Oh, of course. Not the box I thought it was. Still missing a box. Alright. My triple trays are going to be in that box. They don't appear to be in there. Yeah. That's the pack good. Yeah, I guess the person eBay selling stuff gave me a good deal on it, so it's still very expensive. Way more than Harley bought. Oh. There's a lot of effort to get to this point. Jeez, breathe like that. Endless amounts of tape. Finally. There you go, Indian headlight cowling. Doesn't look too bad. Supposed to have a scratch in it somewhere. Let's do the other side. Oh, it ain't so hard, it hurts. More knife, less force. Getting there. That looks way better than I thought it was going to be. Give me a good deal. Thanks. Yeah, I thought I had a big scratch in here somewhere pie, but they buffed them out pretty good. I don't see the scratches anywhere. Nice set. Way too nice for me. Make the rest of the bike look like crap. Expensive part. It's all expensive. They knew I wrecked my bike, so they made me a good deal on the parts to fix it. One of my viewers. The yank and wrist don't like it. There you go. Indian headlight. Genuine. An Indian on it, see? Sure are butt ugly. Ah, that hurts my wrist. There you go. You can almost hold it together. There it goes. Stand put that way. Ah, damn, that hurts. There you go. That's how it all goes together. It's supposed to be up there, though. Yeah, you did a very good job there. They made a good deal on that, too. Very appreciated. Yep. Yeah, they did a good deal on that. They made a good deal on the triple trees, too, but the box is missing, so... FedEx has been fighting me on delivering boxes, so I thought that box got delivered, but it ain't here. It's not where I've seen it yet. Have to go do some checking on the shipping. But anyway, there's the headlight assembly. Looks pretty good. I'm just going to use a Harley top cover on there. It was missing anyway. I do have the original piece that goes there, which well, it's in the SUV. So that piece was saved. So there you go. I got the front fender right there. Got the gas tank. Got the headlight assembly. So all that's going to go back up on here. And then the other box had the triple trees, the cowbells that go down here. And oh, what else was in that box? Oh, I had another set of fork sliders in case mine are bad, which they're back there. I don't think they're really bad, but they're back there. The tubes are definitely bad. I think the sliders are alright, but if not, I got another pair of sliders. So, that should give me everything I need except for the fender light, like I said, to put all this stuff back together again in a usable format that still looks like an Indian. And I'll decide what I'm going to do with it after that. Either way, I got to strip it down and straighten the frame, fix the frame. So, at least I got some parts. The big stuff is here. That's what matters. Well, except for the missing box, that has the triple trees, the cowbells, and the lower sliders I need. But yeah, other than that, it's all here. Yeah, sure. All right, that's it for this one for now.